girl ARIE B. In today's video, we're going to be working with WorldNewHair. I was sent this 27 honey blonde, basically, curly wig. Now I don't remember like if it's water wave, deep wave, I don't know what curl pattern it is. I can't remember, but everything's going to be listed down below anyway. Yeah, so you guys know I've been trying to, well, you guys don't know, but if you watch me, you would know, like, in a video before this, I don't know which video, I was trying to do the 2 braids, and it just wasn't working out. But today, I was like, these 2 braids gonna work, because I just recently did this color, and I don't want to keep repeating the same hairstyle, so I had to switch it up. Also, you guys are gonna see me struggling, with braiding, because I wanted to do under braids. Like, I know how to under braid. Okay, well, I really don't know how to, but I was trying to today. I know how to under braid. So, okay, I know how to somewhat under braid, and it was looking so good. Like, I just feel like under braid would have looked better with this style, but it's whatever. Also, another thing I had a problem with is I didn't know where to hide the 2 braids at. So what I did, y'all, I just connected both of the ends together, and it's like a rubber band under my hair. So yeah, other than that, y'all, I love this hair. Like, I love this hair. You guys know I love the big curly hair. It's giving me lion right now, and I'm jacking it. My mom was like, oh my god, your hair is so big, and I love big hair. Like, of course tomorrow when I go out I'm gonna tame it more, but right now, like, I love this hairstyle. Like, I don't know if my braids are even though. Are my braids even? Probably not, but I don't care. Like, I really love this hair. This hair is soft for curly hair. I didn't have no tangling or nothing, y'all. And not only, alright, look, it's only 1 strand of hair, but like I was saying, I barely had any type of tangling, and I didn't even comb this hair out. As you can see in the back, it still has that uniformed way it comes in the package. Hair is like so soft. It's no tangles, no nothing, and this is curly hair, like I said. So I was kind of surprised with that. But yeah, I would highly recommend this hair. I love this hair. But yeah, yeah, I just love this hair, y'all. Like, I really, really love this hair. I'm jacking this hair. I say that with every wig, but y'all, nah, I don't say it with every wig, because some wigs I be having trouble with. But nah, I really love this hair. This is a 13x4. Lace is good. Lace melted, baby. Lace is melted. Is it melted? I don't know. Maybe I'm bugging. But nah, I feel like the lace is melted. Y'all know I be melting my lace. But anyways, like I said, this is WorldNewHair. This is 24 inches. I don't know if I mentioned that. I've received 24 inches. Like I said, I don't know which wave pattern it is, but it will be listed down below. It's probably deep wave, honestly. Nah, it's not deep wave. Truly, I don't know. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.